takeout meals. 8 people crammed like sardines in a wheel. No one ever tosses the moldy bread away. Stacked cans of soda from the end of last May. Leftovers stinking like a roadside stray. Green fuzz on the cheese, ain't no gourmet. Condiments from decades gone long past. Fruit rotting faster than a jet blast. Refrigerator blues got me crying in the night. Running out of room, but it don't feel right. Need a cleanup crew to set it all alight. Refrigerator blues gonna start a fight. Too hard. Eggs been sitting since we played in the yard. Last night's dinner, nobody knows for sure. Found a mystery meat that's become obscure. Someone's gotta clean this mess before it turns into a midnight distress. Maggots crawling on the deli plate. Smells so bad, it's sealing our fate. Refrigerator blues got me crying in the night. Running out of room, but it don't feel right. Need a cleanup crew to set it all alight. Refrigerator blues gonna start a fight. Maggots crawling on the deli plate. Smells so bad, it's sealing our fate. Refrigerator blues got me crying in the night. Running out of room, but it don't feel right. Need a cleanup crew to set it all alight. Refrigerator blues gonna start a fight.